Hazrat Abdullah bin Abi Awfa radiyallahu anhu states that when Umar bin Ubaidullah went to Hororiya, he wrote a letter to Umar and narrated this hadith. During the days Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam encountered the enemy, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam waited until the sun set. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then standing amidst them, the companions radiyallahu anhum said, O people, don't aspire to face the enemy and invoke safety from Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And when you encounter the enemy, remain steadfast and keep it in mind that paradise lies under the shade of swords. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then got up and invoked, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, O the revealer of the book, O the mover of the clouds, O the defeater of the troops, root them and grant us dominance over them. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4517.